RAI Amsterdam has an in-house, full-service design and build department. Every year, more stands are built with modular stand design solutions. Thanks to our modular solutions, you don't have to worry about anything. Your stand will be ready when you arrive, and you can leave it as you go. This leads to a more sustainable and efficient solution, which is the future of exhibitions. The use of modular stands reduces the carbon footprint and the traffic movements. RAI reuses most of the used products and materials. Non-reused products are recycled. Our experienced team of stand construction experts will ensure that your vision becomes reality. With precision and passion, we create every stand into an inviting and functional environment. Together, we make your event a success. The RAI offers various stand construction packages. These packages are expandable. For example, do you want a shelf to present your products, or do you want to make your products extra eye-catching with the help of video material? These options can all be selected in our exhibitors webshop, such as plants and flowers, a light box, or a screen on the wall. The possibilities are endless. Exhibitors can easily add additional items and enrich their participation of the event. Additional exclusive products like this integrated light box in the wall can all be ordered from exhibitor services. RAI Amsterdam is your reliable partner in stand construction. During construction days and during the event, our team is ready to support you with any challenges. Thanks to our floor manager, you are assured of a flawless delivery of the event. RAI Design and Build, making ideas visible.